Oh, we out here at the Chinos, right, Chinito? I don't know. What are we? What are we? What number are we?
Put this one first.
Well, Pipi, I just asked you a question.
Yes.
We're number one, right?
The best in town.
There you go. Let them know, bro. You let them know that this is your.
Number one. Look. What you want? Like this? Too much. Come out look ugly.
Nah. Make it come out a little bit more. Right there.
Come out ugly.
Nah. Do what I say.
Come out ugly. Ugly shit.
Anyways, he's welding the vibrate exhaust with the flat pipe. Calling it a day. Thanks, man. It's up there, you know. True heart.
Boss 8, 8
Y 5.
0
I don't know.
8.
So the Chino's got it welded. We got it sitting now. Well, he's welding. He's got everything set. Well, we got everything set. Look at that. That's gonna be my motor after I do a burnout. But anyway.
Burnout. You mean your tires?
No, that's gonna be my motor, nigga.
Because it's going to be clutch.
You wish you had a clutch, bitch. And then he's welding the blast pipe right after. It's gonna be like that. Wow.
It's going to be like...
So we're finishing it up now. It's sticking out pretty freaking. It's pretty sick. It's pretty dope. Almost done, and then after we get to test it, guys. So that's how it's looking, guys. Last pipe is finally on.
That's your car at idle? Oh my god.
That's your car at idle, bitch
I
boy.
like it. It's new.
Fuck you.
Man, I don't know what.
Oh my god, we're about to do first startup. First startup with the new exhaust and blast pipe. Oh shit.
Nice.
Looking nice. It's dark, you cannot see yet.
This might be good.
It's all mine?
You got tail light out.
Oh my god!
How you like it? How you like it?
Okay. See you next time. Yeah.
What up, guys? This is the day after. Well, actually, like a while after. We got the exhaust done. It's been a while. Put that sticker on there. It doesn't burn off, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, didn't you put that in there already?
Nah, I haven't put that video up.
That's a new one?
Well, no. Well, just shut up. Get in the car and rev it so they can hear what it sounds like. Watch how fast my cat's gonna run. Cold start. I know it's a little rusty. I didn't put the paint on it. It's a Vibrant with a blast pipe. Go ahead, rev it. Do it again. Yo, that shit sounds sick. Yeah. Alright, turn it off. Take out the key. Anyways, guys, that's it for today. It's great gang.